Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can make the Blu-ray scanning effect to your videos in CapCut Mobile. So here I'm going to use this video and I want to apply the effect only to the object or the person in the video. So here's what you need to do. Just click on the video and duplicate it first. So copy the video like this. Make one of them as overlay. Then remove the background on the overlay. So click on the overlay, go to the remove background and use the auto removal. Okay, after the background has been removed, click on the check icon, then apply the Blu-ray scanning effect. So you can just find it under the video effect, swipe and click on the scanning category and apply this Blu-ray scanning effect. So here the effect will only apply to the background, and to make it apply to the person, click on the effect, go to object and choose overlay. Click on the check icon and this is it. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and also click on the thanks. Bye.